Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video, we want to talk about how to load .mat file, the MATLAB files in Python programming language. So in this video tutorial, we want to talk about how to load .mat files in Python programming language. So first of all, we should right click on it and go to Properties and then go to Security and then copy this path from left to right, not vice versa. Why? Because if you copy this path from right to left, unfortunately, one extra character would be copied which is not what we want. So you should copy this path, from left to right. You should copy this path from left to right, not vice versa. So after copying the path, we can go to Python and load this .mat file in Python programming language. Okay, first of all, we say from SciPy.io import loamat in order to load the .mat file in Python. And remember, SciPy is not a built-in package, so if you want to use it, you should install it first. How? For example, with the pip install SciPy command in command window. This is one way to install this package. So after that, we say loamat, and we paste the path between these two double quotations. We paste the path, and be careful that you should put an R before this double quotation, this first double quotation. And we store all the stuff in a variable called data, and after that we print this data. And if we run a code, you can see that here's our data variable, and we should go here. You can see that the name of the data is SN, because after that we can see that here's our data. So the name of our data is SN. The name depends on the data set. Maybe the name of your data differs, but the name of this data is SN. So I say print data, and we say SN. And if we run a code, you can see that here's our data. And now we can store this in a variable, let's say called X. So we say X equals to data and SN. And if we print the X and also print the type of X, we can see that X is a NumPy array, and this is our data. So here's how to load .mat files in Python programming language.